Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to stake crypto in Ledger Live. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Ledger Live application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Ledger Live. But now guys, let's see how you can what we actually have in front of us here. In the bottom, as you can see, we have the wallet, we have the earn, the discover. You also have my ledger in the bottom right corner where you can go and buy your ledger now. And in the middle, you can buy a device and then send, receive, buy, sell, stake, and swap cryptocurrencies. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and stake your crypto in Ledger Live. So first of all, you need to set up your Ledger Live. As I told you, download the app and of course from the official website or Google. Then create an account that you need to then go and connect and then transfer or buy crypto. If you don't already have the crypto you want to stake, you can buy it directly through Ledger Live or transfer it from another wallet to exchange, which you can do here, and you can go and exchange. Then you need to stake your crypto. Go to Earn section in the Ledger Live, select the account of the cryptocurrency you want to stake, click on the stake button and follow the prompts to complete the staking process. Then monitor and claim rewards. You can monitor your staking rewards in the Earn section. Depending on the cryptocurrency, you may need to manually claim your rewards periodically. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I told you, I hope that you enjoyed the video, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, as always, bye guys.